Welcome to Ringdale ActiveLED, the world's most efficient and long-lasting lighting and control solution at an affordable cost. What makes ActiveLED and LightSpace management from Ringdale superior is the philosophy behind the technology and its implementation. We like simple controls where no PC, computer, or networking infrastructure is required, where just a simple 6-wire telephone cable and telephone-type jack plugs make the connection from the lighting power supply to the LightSpace Manager, or you may call it a digital dimmer, a plug-and-play solution. You can adjust the lights by simply pressing the plus or the minus button and get feedback from the 3-digit display, which also doubles as a very energy-efficient night light. Notice the smooth reduction in light when dimming the lights from 100 to 50%, and the absolute uniform dimming level of each light fixture and each LED module in the lights fixture. This is possible due to Ringdale's patented LED driver technology used in ActiveLED power supplies. The leftmost button on the LightSpace Manager is the mode control, allowing you to turn the lights on, off, or being controlled automatically by the built-in motion sensor. When a person enters the motion-controlled area, the lights will adjust to their high level. When there are no people present in the area, the lights will adjust to their low level. User-friendly and intuitive programming mode is entered by holding down the center and right button simultaneously for 10 seconds. Flashing LEDs indicate the programming mode. The mode button now becomes the enter button. Pressing it the first time after entering programming mode starts showing the default operating mode like on, off, or auto, which the unit will enter after a power failure or a power cycle. You can change the power up operating mode by using the minus key in the center or the plus key on the right to select one of the operating modes, on, off, or auto. By pressing the mode or the left button, the unit will show the first parameter, default on level, which you may adjust using the plus or minus key to the desired level and program it by pressing the left or enter key. The enter key will program the current parameter and move on to the next parameter, low light level. Again, using the plus or minus keys to adjust the low and off light level setting. When set to 0, the lights will go off. After pressing the enter key on the left, the timeout 1 parameter may be set. Again, using plus or minus keys to adjust the timeout in minutes. When set to 0, the timeout is set to 10 seconds, which is a demonstration mode. Pressing the enter key on the left will register and move on to the next setting, timeout 2. Again, using plus or minus keys to adjust the timeout in minutes. When set to 0, the timeout is set to 10 seconds, which is a demonstration mode. Pressing the enter button on the left will complete the programming of the device. All of its parameters are remembered from now on, including times when the unit is not powered. As Ringdale ActiveLED power supplies act as data repeater devices, one LSM can direct an infinite number of light fixtures in its segment, all having identical light output. LSM devices with built-in infrared receiver will respond to IR remote control units of various manufacturers when set to an appropriate operating mode. The remote can now set the levels from 0 to 100% in 10% increments by pressing the 0 key for 100% and the 1 key for 10%, and 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90% by pressing the 2 through 9 keys. The power button on the remote can also adjust the LightSpace Manager's mode to on, off, or auto. Ringdale LightSpace Managers can be used with ActiveLED fixtures as in wall mount devices or within fixtures or alongside fixtures mounted on ceilings and on poles in indoor and outdoor applications. Significant benefits can be reaped in fuel dispenser canopies that are off the road. Also helps secure open parking structures as lights come to their full on level if there is activity in the area. And facilities located in the Arctic Circle or very cold storage where only sporadic lighting is required when there is product being moved in or out of the facility. For all applications where lights are difficult to reach and motion detection is required, Ringdale's EDSAP IR Link is convenient and efficient, allowing you to program a motion sensor up to 50 feet away with new timeout and light level parameters. All of this with the simplest form of control, the Ringdale LightSpace Manager, which comes in many forms for any application that can benefit from a motion sensor, indoor or outdoor. Up to 8 LSM devices can be daisy-chained to one light fixture or Ringdale EDSAP capable power supply for unsurpassed functionality and convenience in long hallways, gymnasiums, and other applications where large area coverage is required. To talk to one of our lighting experts, call us or visit us online at activeled.com.